Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to jack a Honda CR-V updated. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and chock the wheels immediately. Gather a jack rated for your vehicle, a jack stand, and the factory or recommended jack point guide. Wear gloves and eye protection, and keep bystanders clear. Never rely on the jack alone. Always support the vehicle with a properly placed jack stand before working underneath. Use the owner manual to confirm factory jack points on the Honda CR-V and inspect the area for damage. Position the jack under the reinforced pinch weld or the specified lifting tab near the wheel you will remove. Raise the jack slowly until it contacts the vehicle, then pump gently while checking alignment. Once the vehicle is lifted to working height, install a jack stand under a solid frame point and lower the car carefully onto it. Begin lifting the CR-V slowly and watch for any shift in the vehicle or jack alignment. When you reach the desired height, back the jack down just enough to transfer weight onto the jack stand, confirming the stand sits on a solid frame area. Do not work under the car until the stand and vehicle are stable. To lower, raise the vehicle slightly to remove the stand, then lower the jack slowly until the wheel touches the ground.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.